Magnificent Mary. The inspiring story of Mary Kom, an Indian boxer. Here you can see a picture of Mary Kom on the victory stand. An Indian boxer whose journey was full of difficulties but who succeeded due to her hard work and determination. Let us read more about her. Mary Kom's name stands for patience and hard work. She has been a 5-time world boxing champion. Mary Kom has fought battles not only in the boxing ring but also in her personal life. Reason being that she was faced with difficulties in her early life. However, Mary overcame all the hurdles and achieved much more than many of us can possibly dream of. Like many other sportspersons, Mary Kom's success is an inspiration. It is an encouragement to the youth and to the young girls of India. But it becomes even more meaningful when we consider her background. Mary was born on 1st March 1983 in a tribal community in the clashes-ridden state of Manipur. Her full name is Mangte Chungnijong Mary Kom. Her parents were poor farmers and worked hard in the fields. As the eldest of her siblings, she was the eldest child of the family, and many a times she had to work with her parents to earn her livelihood. And she used to sometimes work in the fields and sometimes cut wood after school. Mary was extremely interested in playing different kinds of sports during her school days. She initially participated in several athletic competitions but also took up boxing after being highly inspired by the famous Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh. Her father was also an inspiration for her because he was a boxer in his early days. However, he did not consider boxing to be a sport for girls. He felt it was a male sport, and he also felt that she wouldn't find a suitable groom if she continued boxing. Maybe he felt that she would get some hurt on her face or her body. Despite all objections, Mary continued boxing even though she had no support from her family in the early days. She couldn't even afford proper shoes and sports equipment for herself. She also had to hide from her father during the practice sessions. Mary Kom's career started in the year 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. She started competing at an international level at a very young age of 18 years. She made her international debut, that is her first appearance, at the AIBA, that stands for International Boxing Association, and won a silver medal in the Women's World Boxing Championship in the United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kilograms weight category. Mary won the first Women's Boxing Championship in 2001. In the same year, she won the second position in the Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship in the 48 kilograms category. She also won the World Championships in the year 2002, 2005 and 2006. As the result, she was nicknamed Magnificent Mary. She got married to Keon Lecombe in the year 2005, but she did not give up her boxing career. That is truly inspirational, that even after giving birth to twin sons in 2007, whom she named Richungwar and Kupnewar, still she continued with her boxing. She took a break from the game during this period, but after some time she started intense training again. She made an impressive comeback by winning the silver medal at the 2008 Asian Women's Boxing Championship in India and a fourth successive gold medal at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in China. She also won a gold medal at the 2009 Asian Indoor Games in Vietnam. This was truly commendable. It showed her hard work and determination and a will to succeed. Mary Com's success streak continued as she won the gold medal at the Asian Women's Boxing Championship in Kazakhstan in 2010 and at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in Barbados. She also won a bronze medal in 2010 Asian Games and a gold medal in 2011 at the Asian Women's Cup in China. Mary Com's determination and willpower could be seen during the London Olympics in 2012, when she did not lose confidence when she was told to compete in the category not of 48 kilograms but of 51 kilograms. This meant that she had to fight taller and bigger opponents inside the ring. She confidently accepted the challenge and practiced against male boxers who were taller and had a stronger physique than her. Her courage and hard work of course paid off, and she finally won the bronze medal and became the first Indian woman boxer to win a medal at the Olympics. The awards and recognitions for Mary Com have continued. The Indian government has given her an award, the Arjuna Award in 2003, the Padma Shri in 2006, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009, and the Padma Shri Bhushan in 2013. She also won a gold medal in the Asian Games in 2014, among many such others in the recent years. Her success is possible only because of her hard work and determination. She is in fact a legend in herself. Her story is significant because she achieved all this against so many odds, so many difficulties. Her work is full of dedication to achieve her goals. She fought bravely against all obstacles. Mary Com has all the qualities of a true sportsman. Here you can see Mary Com. Her name stands for patience and hard work. I hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to remain updated with the latest videos. Thank you.